Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In the olden days, the Hakka mostly lived in the mountains, making it difficult to visit the market. So the innovative Hakka would preserve their food by drying it in the sun. Among those dried goods, persimmons are the most popular. These fruits are especially abundant in the Xinbu and Beibu areas of Hsinchu County. Each year, taking advantage of the strong September winds, the villagers dry the persimmons, turning them into tasty treats.
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係Lim Zepsiu, Joseph Lin, right here with Leo to tell you more about the Hakka culture. And recently, I've seen an abundance of a certain type of fruit that I love so much. 最近呢，常常看到一个水果啊，是我自己本身来到台湾之后很喜欢的一个水果。这英文叫 persimmon， 中文叫做柿子。
吃
对啊，吃它是吃的啊。
不是，我是说客家话的那个柿子叫吃
那我要吃柿子怎么说呢？
是吃
OK， 有点倒过来的感觉啊。吃that actually means eating the persimmon。这个月份9月份好像突然间看到到处都有盛产的时候，对不对？而且呢，我记得没错的话，好像新竹这个地方的柿子，尤其是它的柿饼啊。
对，
很有名，
非常有名
啊！我有点忘记为什么是在新竹那边比较看到多一点那种柿饼。
我问你啊，9月份的时候是不是天气大概已经到秋天了？
没错，
那时候会吹什么风
啊？秋风，然后
秋风扫落叶吗？
对，
不是
没错，对了，我要讲的对，废话嘛，对不对？但是我要讲的秋风，有一种秋风在新竹那边很有名，叫九降风，对不对？
对，叫九降风。
九降风 ，OK， it's strong September winds that take place in 新竹。
就因为秋天那个风它比较强，而且比较干，
是，
所以它要做那个柿饼的时候呢，很快就做好了。
对，
而且做出来柿饼非常非常好吃。
Very nice. Using the power of nature during September, where there are strong winds in Hsinchu, again known as 九降风. By that process, you can produce these sun-dried persimmon cakes that are so delicious, sweet, and tasty. 越讲越流口水，你有没有发觉？Let's go ahead and review this term. How do you say the persimmon? 柿子怎么说？吃OK 是柿子。那柿饼呢 ？The persimmon cake.
吃饼
that's the dried persimmon cake. And then the wind that takes place in Hsinchu during September. 九降风怎么说？
九降風
And there you have it. Talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.